this is Washabi, and today I'll be doing a live unboxing of the Ball Engineer Hydrocarbon DeepQUEST. As you can see, this one came with a nice cloth shopping bag with the Ball brand, as you can see here. The authorized dealer also gave me a couple of one more other free gift, which is a ball. I think it's a face towel. Again, branded with the logo of the brand on it. So this is the listing of the watch. Now you may be surprised to see, hey, how come it's a real ugly plain cardboard box? But there's a reason to it. I'll show you why. So this is the packaging box that you get. Nothing, no logo at all, printed at all on it. Very simple, gaudy little box. But you do have something written in pen here, DeepQUEST. But what's interesting is what you get inside. So inside is, I call it a packaging bag. It's another box. Let's take this one out. Another cardboard box, but at least it looks finer. But inside this box, open this, there's a Pelican case. And this is the Pelican case that comes official. This is the official watch box for the Ball DeepQUEST. As you can see here, the logo, and this is the actual Pelican case itself. Rather large compared if you compare it relative to my hand. And when you open it, this is what you get. Sitting on its pillow, a section here where it comes with the box logo, and something very interesting. Half of the box is actually filled with this safety buoy that divers will use if there's a problem. What they do is, this is actually just a glorified plastic bag where they can actually put air in it, and it will just float up to the surface, and it will then tell rescuers where is the stranded diver underwater. For me, I think this is a bit of a waste. I don't think I'll ever use this. I would have preferred if they would give for example, a rubber strap and a strap replacement tool with it. I think that would be much more value for users. Here is the certificate, the chronograph certificate by COSC. I also have, I think it was given here, somewhere here, the guarantee. Now the guarantee for this thing is 5 years, which is by Ball, so which is actually very, very good. So this is it. This is the watch itself. Anyway, I will be writing a review about this watch, and I will put a link in the description below later for reference. Yeah, thank you.